I'm Manjula. I'm Commissioner Urban Land Transport. The mandate of this department is to promote public transport and non-motorized transport. So the concern for us is that Bangalore has a very high vehicle population and it's actually increasing. And we do want to promote alternate modes of transport. Public transport is patronized very well in Bangalore. About 45% of people use public transport. We want to retain that share and increase it, and also increase the share of cycles and walking, because the share of cycles has actually come down from 16% in sometime in 1980s to 2% now. And in Malleshwaram, the objective is to engage with the community and find out what are the accessibility problems and concerns that they have. So we have entered into a memorandum of understanding with JAGA, and from the DULT side we will provide the transport planners and the technical expertise for planning for the NMT infrastructure, and JAGA will help us in actually interacting with the community.
I'm Archana Prasad, co-founder and director of JAGA. JAGA is an NGO that tries to support other NGOs, especially in the social and environment space, as well as young artists and technologists, by providing them mentorship and space and infrastructure. We also have JAGA Media Center. JAGA Media Center is focused on documentation and creating public awareness. So JAGA Media Center tied up with the Directorate of Urban Land Transport. It's a partnership project with them. In this project, we're going to be focused around how to redesign or relook at the neighborhood of Malleshwaram, with a focus on basically making cycle routes and walking routes for people. The additional layer that we're bringing in as JAGA is to have community engagement or participatory methods to come up with ideas around how these routes can be formed, as well as kind of researching and finding what is important socially and culturally to that neighborhood. So Malleshwaram is a good example of an old neighborhood which has already some problems with its infrastructure, given where we are today with the population and the vehicular traffic. So if we can make a pleasant route for pedestrians, at the same time provide them ways to connect with the physical space, learn about it and kind of be proud of where they live, then I think it would be the dream come true a little bit.
Hi, I'm Deepak. I'm working for DULT. I'm a transport planner here.
Hello, I'm Sneha Ragur. I'm working at Directorate of Urban Land Transport, Bangalore.
Okay, hi, I'm Nawaz. I'm a transport planner from DLT. I'll be coordinating this project with JAGA.
I'm Shailendra Singh, currently working with Director of Urban Land Transport as a Special Officer, Urban Planning.
Hi, I'm Krupa. I'm from Setu. I'm interested in community engagement.